Krishna, Sadar Pranam, Radhe Radhe. A very warm welcome to the day 52 of my YouTube channel, Dental Tips. Today's topic of discussion, today we're going to discuss in brief about gum astringents, also known as gum paints. So what are these gum astringents? Gum astringents are oral care products which are used to provide relief from irritation to gums, relief from inflammation to the gums. So they tighten the gums and they soothe the gums. And what are the conditions in which gum paints are advised to the subject? Various conditions, like it could be acute gingivitis when there is inflammation of the gums to relieve the inflammation. It could be in those conditions when there is irritation to the gums, like after orthodontic braces, when they cause irritation to the gums, or also when denture causes irritation to the gums. In those scenarios also gum paints or gum astringents are advised to the subject. And in case of periodontal care, after scaling, root planning, also gum paints, gum astringents are advised by the dentist to the subject. And sometimes in case of stomatitis, mouth ulcers, in these cases also gum paints, gum astringents are advised. And also in cases where there are teething problems, that is when milk teeth or baby teeth is about to erupt in an infant between 4 months to 7 months. So the erupting teeth exerts pressure on the gums and it causes discomfort to the infant. In that case also gum paints are advocated. So these gum paints, they're available in the market by various trade names like Stolin gum paint, Tantum gum paint. It could be Sensoform gum paint. It could be Termix gum paint. It could be T32 gum paint, Gumex gum paint, and it could be Acrodent gum paint, and many more. So that's all for today. We will discuss more about it in the upcoming videos. Thank you many folks for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.